Prince of Peace from the Trans-Siberian Orchestra.
Kennedy and Emma have been singing with me. Well, Kennedy and Emma's been singing forever with me, but Kennedy's been singing over a year and a half in my studio. And her mother is also a singer. And Joseph's been singing about a month. And I met him at his middle school in Tumwater, and he sang in choir. And he was a great singer, so I asked him to stay 5 minutes after class, and then he wanted to take lessons with his sister, and he's a fine young singer, so very proud of all of them.